Good morning to all the students of class 10. Thank you for your likes. Today our first lesson will be the first chapter of democratic politics. The name of the chapter is power sharing. Before we go to power sharing, I would like to tell you something important. Suppose this is a packet of Parle-G. All of you see this packet. Now I am telling to the students, share this packet among all your friends. So, my dear students, all will get one piece each. So, power sharing is that one. Power is shared equally. Now, try to follow at the board. Power sharing means when the power does not rest with any one organ of the state. Rather, it is shared among legislature, executive and judiciary. This is called power sharing. In other words, if one person will hold all the power, then it won't be good. So, power sharing has come so that power is shared equally. Now, this power sharing is a part and parcel of democracy. Now, if you ask me, what are the advantages of power sharing? Just see here, it is the very spirit of democracy. Number one, it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between different groups. It is an ideal way to ensure the stability of the political order. It makes a country more powerful and united. So, sharing of power is an innovative thing in democracy. You understood this one? We in our family also, we share our responsibilities. It is the same thing as you see here, the power sharing. I hope you have understood. Today's topic is Belgian Model. Belgium is a small country like our Haryana. Now, they have an innovative way of answering democracy and also solving the power sharing question based on linguistic groups and also maintaining the ethnic balance. Just see, I have written here Belgian Model. Now, this Belgian model is based on linguistic linguistic, meaning languages. Now, first see, Dutch speaking and French speaking ministers are equal in central government. Both Dutch speaking and French speaking ministers are equal. If Dutch speaking is 30 ministers, French speaking ministers also 30, so that there won't be any controversy. Now, the second one, the central government. Central government, some of the powers of the central government is given to the state governments. The state governments are not subordinate to the central government. Once again I repeat, the state governments are not subordinate to the central government. The state governments can act independently. Now see the third one. The capital of Belgium is Brussels. In Brussels is the capital. French speaking people and Dutch speaking people are equal here. So the capital having this government where French speaking people and Dutch speaking people are equal. If it is 20, it is also 20 here. Now French speaking people accepted this equal representation in Brussels, the capital, whereas the Dutch speaking people accepted equal representation in central government. Now, the most important thing is the community government. Now, what is this community government? See here, the community government is elected by people belonging to the language community. What? Dutch, French and German. Just see this. Dutch, French and German. This community government. Now, this community government has powers regarding cultural, educational and linguistic issues. Okay? Now, this is a very important thing, that this community government is an unique feature of the Belgian model. So, you see this one. Now, the Belgian model is an epitome of power sharing. Power sharing is based on the principle of checks and balances. Here you have this one. Now this system shows that the Belgian leaders does not follow preferential politics in matters of jobs and education, and also they respect the ethnic composition of the people. So our topic was power sharing. Belgium, such a small country, has shown us that how easily we can feel the pulse of power sharing by following this Belgian model. I hope it is clear. Now, when you are watching the video, you take a sheet of paper and pen and first write down the points, like Belgian model 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So quickly you will see this one. First one, Dutch speaking and French speaking ministers equal in central government. Number one, central government powers are given to state governments. Now, Brussels having a separate government of French speaking people and Dutch speaking people are equal, based on equal representation. Then you got the community government where people belonging to different communities, Dutch, French and German are there. This government has the power to deal with cultural, educational and linguistic issues. Then, one thing you must remember, that the Belgian model is an ideal innovation of power sharing. Now, this power sharing is very nicely treated by the Belgian leaders. Once you go through this power sharing, you can understand that this system is based on checks and balances.